Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Adele Milan. To this video guys, I'm going to share my personal review about a certain product from Nogabest. And this is called the Alkaline Water Bottle or the Alkaline Water Tumbler. Wow! Today I'm going to give you my self-review about a certain product from Nogabest. This product is very useful to us, to my family, and this is called Alkaline Water Bottle. And this is improved with Tormenium ball. I'm going to share the effect, and this is my personal review guys. Disclaimer, this is not a paid partnership. So, I'm going to share this glass here and the tumbler. This tumbler contains stones here. The magnesium, the tormenium, the mineral balls, the magnesium, yan yung nag-produce ng alkali water. Then minerals nag-deodorize and replenish the water, and it also has Max Par ball, antibiotic ball. So if may antibiotic ball na, it sterilize the water that has antibiotic for the body, natural antibiotic. And alkali ball, the tormenium ball guys accelerates metabolism and produce immunity sa ating cell. Kaya ipakita ko ang results sa water ng tumbler at ng tormenium itself. I have here in the second glass a tormenium stone. I soak it for 2 minutes. This water contains purified water from Aquatime water refilling, and this bottle also contains purified water plus the tormenium, and it's empty, this one, because I'm going to show the effect of the tumbler. So here I have the TDS tester. So water, it tests the minerals, the purification of the water. So this water here is already purified and clean. Let's test it. It's off. Then I'm going to on this one, and you can see the reading is 0. Lagay natin dito. So how much? It's 6. You can see it's 6. So the purified water is 6. Then, i-off natin guys para makita nyo wala talagang uncut itong video natin. Then, on natin again. Then, soak natin sa second glass that has tormenium stone. And, I put it here mga 2 seconds guys. Tingnan natin ano ang measure niya. Off natin balik. Then, on 0 reading. Magkano ba? 15. So, from 6 to 15. So, ang purified water nagkaroon ng minerals because of the tormenium stone. 6 plus naging 15. So, off na natin guys. And let's share the effect of the alkaline water tumbler. So, ganito ang dapat na paghawak ng tumbler guys, because this side has rubber para hindi siya madulas. Then, you just shake it for 2 minutes. Mag-count ay tayo guys. How many minutes na?
Ano pa? 11:30.
Time?
11:28. 10:28. Or 11.
Time is 11:29 here. So, mga 31 or 30? 30. Mag 11:30, stop na ako sa shake. Exercise din sa body guys. Hands. Shake. Good thing sa alkaline guys. It replenish your body from acid content. Kasi today, all of us are exposed of gadgets. So, nagkakaroon talaga tayo ng mga anti-radiation, radiation. So, we need anti-radiation sa ating body. And the food that we intake, lahat na sila mga processed foods. And yung mga iniinom natin, mostly, hindi na tayo mabubusog pag walang soft drinks. Acid na naman. Kahit yung purified water, diba? Gumagamit na sila ng mga pampalinis ng tubig. Kaya nasasama yung minerals na tatanggal sa pagtanggal ng mga bakterya ng tubig. Kaya ang ating body talaga puno na ng acid. So we need to clean. Kailangan na natin uminom ng mga alkaline water. And this is a lifetime process. Hindi na tayo bibili. Kasi sa store, mahal ang maliit na bottle guys from 500 ml, 24, 27, ganyan ang price. So, ilang minutes na to guys? 30. So, 2 minutes na guys. Uncut video. Nangalay ako ng konti guys. Let's pour this one sa ating empty bottle. Empty bottle siya guys. Yan, konti lang muna. And, naka-off pa to siyang tester. On natin. Zero reading. Zero reading guys ha. Lagay natin. How much?
23.
23. Di mo siya na, ano, from 0.6, 15, naging, 23. So, ito, yung purified, pag purify ng water kasi kasama sa process yung pagtanggal ng bacteria, nasasama yung minerals. Nawawala yung minerals, kaya nilalagyan natin ng alkaline process. Ito yun. This tumbler has terminium inside and the mineral balls. Kaya, yung purified water, bumalik yung minerals niya. Naging 23 na yung reading. So, uncut guys.
Ito, ilagay mo doon para i-process.
May halo man.
Sud ang Canada is sud.
Okay. So this water is purified. Nakita nyo kanina 6 lang yung We'll empty this bottle. We'll empty the tumbler. Okay, empty natin yung tumbler and lagay natin dito yung purified water kanina that has 6 reading. Ito na naman yung i-shake natin guys. As you can see, konti lang yung water. So, pag konti lang yung water, mas special na siya, espiso. Ano yan? So, let's shake guys. Time 33. So, mag-stop tayo sa 35. Empty na to guys ha, kasi nilagay natin dito. Sa pamilya, palitan lang kayo ng pag-shake. Because this is for all of you. For all of us. Wala tong bayad guys from Noga. I just want to share my self-review. Kasi I believe. Nasubukan ko na kasi. Ano na time? 34. 1 minute na lang. Nakapag-exercise ka na, makakainom ka pa ng clean water, alkaline. Malapit ng 2 minutes guys. Oh, 2 minutes na, 35 na. So, stop na tayo. Then, lagay natin dito sa empty glass. So, off natin to guys ha. Naka-off siya, then on natin balik. Then, the reading is 0. Lagay natin dito.
36.
So, the reading is 36.
Ano wala? Isok.
Isok natin.
Na 36.
Oh, 36. Ito yung water kanina na purified, 0.6. At ngayon, naging 36. So, that's the power of Turmanium water bottle. The alkaline water bottle. This is a healthy water with alkaline. Kaya, wag natin sayangin. Let's drink. Mapipil mo guys, nawawala na yung pait. Nagiging ano na siya, from mountain. Yung fresh water from mountain, naging ganyan. Kasi yung balls na nandito, it's sterilized the water, it removes odor. Ganyan guys. It has how many stones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the power of the alkaline water tumbler. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Adele Milan here, sharing the review. Thank you.